Alright, so I drive a little Jeep 97 Cherokee, and basically my engine light came on. I don't have my keys in my ignition right now, so obviously I'm not going to show you that, but basically what it was saying was the battery temperature sensor was out. So it just rained, and anyways, basically took out my battery. Obviously need to clean that up. Might have to invest in a new one, but it looks pretty solid for now. But basically, you have to take out your battery, take out all this stuff, and then temperature. Try taking it out with this, but then I realized I'm an idiot, and that was not going to work. So basically, this thing was down here or whatever. Let me see if I can get it exactly to where it was. All right, so take out the battery. Had to take out this freaking nut from there, and when I did, I saw my temperature sensor, and where the heck did I put the old one? So my temperature sensor was connected to this thing right here, and it's all pretty worn out, but it's still not bad. My temperature sensor, however, was, and as you can see, right there, this thing was all ripped up. So that's a bold one. I do have this new one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I realized that I need to put this in through here before I put that in. So, oh geez. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get that done. Through this hole right here. It's got the little washer, and now we're gonna sneak that through. Okay, it's gonna fit through right there. And okay, make sure nothing. There, you know, I gotta connect it right here. Boom, there it is. It's all connected. I'm gonna go ahead and put my battery back in. So yeah, so everything's back in order. So let's go ahead and check if I did this shit right. I don't know if the engine code is still going to be there, even if I take it off. So we're just going to see if I at least put the battery on. Car starts. Alright, so we got this thing started up. No engine light. And the truck is running pretty great. So that's how you do it.